First, you must rinse your hands. After getting your hands wet, you must put the soap and create a bubble. When you already created the bubble, interlace your finger from upward to downward. Do it for 5 seconds. And do it also on the other hand. Then make a prayer motion of interlacing finger while doing this motion. After that, you must palm your hand like this and do this rotational motion. Do it on the other hand for 5 seconds. Clean your thumb on a rotational motion and do it to the other thumb. And then do a rotational motion on your palm for 5 seconds and on the other side of your hand. After washing your hands thoroughly, rinse it.